Array-based snapshots have become a key component in many customers' overall data protection strategy by providing fast, low-impact backup and an efficient means to create local copies and replicated copies of critical data to offsite storage. To better help IT organizations face the challenges of protecting data in their environments, Symantec NetBackup 7.5 now offers Replication Director, which integrates and unifies the management and recovery of array-based snapshots and replicated snapshots across the entire backup environment, reducing complexity and costs while improving SLA performance. At the heart of Replication Director is its ability to simplify and automate the end-to-end management and recovery of snapshots, all from within NetBackup. Let's get started and take a look at how easy it would be for any NetBackup administrator to define and automatically execute storage lifecycle policies that would initiate, replicate, and expire snapshots with defined retention periods. Here, we've predefined a storage lifecycle policy to create a cascade of 2 snapshots and a backup copy. The first cascade is the initiation of a snapshot on the primary array by communicating through the OST integration between NetBackup and the array vendor, in this case NetApp, which actually wrote a significant part of the code. The second cascade in this storage lifecycle policy is to copy a replicated snapshot to a secondary array, either local or remote. Through the OST integration with NetApp, NetBackup can leverage either SnapVault or SnapMirror to create replicated snapshots. The third in this cascading example is to automatically copy the replicated snapshot to tape. This allows you to leverage your existing backup infrastructure for longer-term retention periods and is easily integrated into your overall backup and disaster recovery strategy. It's important to note that independent of location for each of the stored snapshots, either primary, secondary, or on tape, each snapshot can have its own retention policy and will be expired based on corporate policies. Now that we've defined the backup policy for snapshots within NetBackup storage lifecycle policies, let's take a look how quick and easy it is for NetBackup to automatically manage and execute the initiation, backup, and retention of these snapshots. As we look at the progress through the NetBackup Activity Monitor, we can see the initiation and completion of the snapshot on the primary array. Using NetApp's SnapVault array, which is defined in the SLP, NetBackup has initiated and successfully replicated the snapshot at the block level to the secondary array. Finally, we can see in the Activity Monitor the start and completion of the defined storage lifecycle policy with the replicated snapshot now safely backed up to tape. Now that there are copies of the data protected in 3 different locations, one on the primary array, one on the secondary array, and a copy on tape, recovery with NetBackup becomes fast and simple. Recovering from any location is exactly the same from within the NetBackup console. Bringing up the standard backup and restore interface, we can easily see the files that were just created and backed up in the snapshot on the array. In this example, the Outlook1.pst file was accidentally deleted from the primary array. We can then select the Outlook1.pst from the backup copy. Select NetBackup's standard restore interface, confirm restore to the original file location, and start restore. Now you can monitor the restore process, and as you can see in the Activity Monitor, the file was successfully stored to the original array location. Managing your backup environment with NetBackup offers flexible restore capabilities. We just saw how easy and simple the restore operation is from within the NetBackup console. Now let's take a look at the power of using OpsCenter web-based access to search and restore individual files from any replicated snapshot. Opening OpsCenter gives you a global view of your backup environment with a backup timeline, location, and type of backup for every file. Whether it's a snapshot, multiple snapshots, disk, or tape backup, it's possible to find and restore any snapshot from any location. Unite your backup and snapshot environments, simplify and reduce complexity, and manage global data protection across your enterprise with Symantec NetBackup. With Replication Director, you can streamline snapshot backup and recovery, improve SLA performance, and reduce OpEx costs by leveraging existing NetBackup skills and infrastructure. To learn more about Symantec NetBackup, please contact us today.